How to reset Messenger pin code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Messenger pin code. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the menu icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the settings option at the top. And now from here, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. And now here in this section, what you can do is simply tap on app lock option. And here I haven't created any pin, but if you have created one, then here you'll see the forget pin option. So there you can simply tap on forget pin, and with that you have to verify your account using your Facebook password or device authentication. And after that you can enter a new pin and confirm the new pin. And once you do that, your messenger will be secured with the new pin. And that's it. That's how you can reset Messenger pin code. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.